Baby girl, you're so damn fine. No, wanna know if I can...
Sometimes I wonder why so many game developers lose interest in their projects or even drop it completely. Why there are so many unfinished indie games. As a complete beginner indie game developer, I might be starting to understand. A few months ago I started my own journey in game development, and these are the 5 hardest things I have encountered so far.
17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering where she...
Number one thing, of course, is staying motivated. It is really hard to be productive and motivated all the time. Game development can be very frustrating at times. You can spend the whole day writing the code that just don't work, and you will have to scrap it. As a complete beginner, I try to look at it as a learning progress rather than development. Also, watching fellow game developers live, like DevDuck, helped me to stay motivated seeing his progress and get through hard times. Another tip from me would be to take breaks and do not overwork. Second thing that scares me the most is, of course, writing clean code. I probably told myself 1,000 times that from now on I will write only clean code that will be easily compatible with other areas of the game. But after an hour I would catch myself writing code that is not compatible at all. You must stay conscious at all times to write the most optimal code that will be easily accessible in the future. I watched a lot of tutorials to get the general idea what clean code should look like, and yeah, I can definitely say that is very hard to master, but when you do, it becomes very easy to write good code. So yeah, one channel that helped me to get the best idea what clean code should look like is CodeMonkey. Awesome channel, brilliant tutorials, thank you very much. I still have absolutely no clue how to make my game look good. I'm planning on spending the whole week just to research and learn Unity visual functions, because these things can have a huge impact on how your game looks like and if it is satisfying to play. Brackies have an awesome tutorial on how to make your game look good, and I guess I'll have to watch it again and again. Also, I'm very grateful because I have an awesome friend who helps me with my visuals, because otherwise I wouldn't have nothing at all. Love you. Unity in general has a lot of functions that you need to get used to and spend some time learning. And then it comes all the other programs like Audacity, FL Studio, Blender, SourceTree, Photoshop, and it seems that you must be decent at all of them if you're doing the game alone. So yeah, I had to spend some time researching and learning these programs, and I guess that wasn't interesting or satisfying enough for me, because in that time I could have been developing the game in Unity, but without these programs the progress wouldn't move. And now, last but not least, is marketing. I think every creator is very happy to see his project being successful or interesting to other people. This is probably the main goal of every indie game developer. But if you want to find people who is interested in your project, you must gather some kind of audience or fan base. And gathering that audience can be very hard and frustrating at times. Like me, I'm sitting here talking to myself with 0 viewers. At times like these, it is very hard to stay motivated, and only hard work can achieve a goal like this. So, if you're still watching, thank you very much, and I know it is very personal, but tell me in the comments below what was the hardest thing for you. And if you're subscribed, see you in the next episode. Be sure to watch this epic intro I made myself, because I don't want to get copyright striked and my channel closed with 0 subscribers, because yeah, that would be awkward. Shortest run in the history.